iCore Business Solution conducted a comprehensive third-party data validation exercise. Under the guidelines and supervision of the Energy Department Balochistan, approximately 28,000 agricultural tubewells across Balochistan were selected for solarization. The assignment focuses on independent verification of key parameters, including installation of solar panels and variable frequency drives, permanent disconnection from the national electricity grid, removal and return of grid-related infrastructure, verification of beneficiary identity and documentation, geospatial tagging and photographic evidence collection, confirmation of previous subsidy through electricity bill record. The journey begins with a situational analysis report that assesses data quality, operational preparedness, and potential risks prior to the commencement of field-level validation activities. This analysis plays a critical role in ensuring that the validation exercise is both effective and efficient, minimizing the chances of misreporting or procedural gaps. The data is then cleansed, filtered, and checked for any duplicates or missing entries. Once validated, the data is uploaded into our centralized web system. The project manager assigns Tubewells through the centralized web system to the teams for physical verification. Electrical engineers and social emulators are then deployed to visit the assigned Tubewells. At the site, the field team initiates the survey using the dedicated Mobi Survey app, which automatically records their GPS location and timestamp. The emulator carries out a structured checklist. They begin by inspecting the solar panels, recording the count, capacity, and mounting quality. They review the variable frequency drive, noting its brand and capacity. They then confirm grid disconnection and verify the transformer returned to KESCO. The emulator also records the technical details of the tubewell, and finally, documents beneficiary details along with remarks on their cooperation. Each step is supported with photographic evidence. After completing the survey, the emulator uploads all the data, including GPS, photos, and beneficiary records, to the central system for supervisory review. All submissions are reviewed by M&D supervisor, who conducts quality checks to ensure accuracy and transparency. The M&D supervisors checks for missing information, validates GPS coordinates, compares data records with photographic evidence, and cross-checks details with KESCO data. Based on the review, each site is then assigned a status of approved, on hold, or not approved. The validated results are then consolidated into structured reports, providing traceable, evidence-based records. These deliverables include inception report, situational analysis report, data validation report, data analysis reports. We thank the Energy Department, KESCO, Sameender Action Committees, and district administrations for their active cooperation throughout this exercise. Partner with iCore Business Solutions for trusted data validation, monitoring, and digital solutions. Thank you.